I am Dr. Mitali Goswami from MCA Department of Netaji Subhash Engineering College. It is the premier college of Techno India Group. I did my PhD in Applied Mathematics from Calcutta University. I have 22 years of teaching experience in the college. Being HOD of the MCA and BCA department for long 12 years, from 2008 to 2019, I have seen how the department has grown day by day. MCA and BCA department is comprising of efficient, experienced senior faculty members who are constantly striving for well-being of the students. During present unprecedented COVID-19 situation also, they have been constantly endeavoring to provide the students with the knowledge in best possible ways. Besides traditional classroom teaching, a student gets lot more value-added inputs from the college. Technical trainings, workshops, seminars, webinars on latest technologies, soft skill and aptitude classes stimulate the growth of a student towards establishing themselves as future professional and make them career ready. The students who hail from Bengali or Hindi medium schools get immensely benefited from communication skill classes. Our training and placement cell, through their round the year tireless effort, provides the scope of internship and 100% placement assistance to all the students. In the MCA BCA department, placement records are consistently good with placements in IT sector companies like TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant, Wipro, etc. Also, our entrepreneurship cell trains up and provide a great support to students to build a startup business on their own. Another thing which comes as great advantage to students is that they are able to do graduation and can do master's degree from the same college. Place students are at par with the 4-year duration IT or computer science degree holder students just after 1 year of starting their career, saving time and parents' money. So, students, Department of BCA and MCA of Netaji Subhash Engineering College will be a great and perfect choice for you if you wish to be an IT professional in future or pursuing higher education. Thank you.